Allora, bentornati ragazzi, oggi siamo tornati dopo un po' sul nostro bellissimo 737 NG e ci facciamo subito il nostro controllino tattico del nostro aereo, quindi vediamo i flap, la marca speed, controlliamo lo iodamper che è on, qua è tutto bene, le pompe non le accendiamo ancora, cruise supply, le exhaust, le seatbelts le togliamo, Pro Bit e Window Bit, ok, vediamo l'OFP, voleremo a 190, e l'aeroporto di destinazione sarà a 74 piedi.
Refueling truck is on its way. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Fuel truck is in position. Please don't load aircraft until the fuel truck arrives and ask to do it. Please use your airplane fuel system to set the desired fuel quantity. Boarding requested. Do you want to board crew? Passengers bus is coming. Passengers boarding starting.
Hello. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. May I see your boarding pass? Welcome on board. Hello. Hello. This way, please. Welcome on board. Good afternoon.
Zulu, surface wind 010 degrees, 6 knots, variable between 310 degrees and 070 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more, scatter 4,700 feet, temperature 26 degrees, set point 13 degrees, QNH 1017, landing and departing runway 04, transition level 060, read back all hold short instructions, advise on initial contact you have information Alpha. Lundra Stansted Airport information Alpha, 1325 Zulu, surface wind 010 degrees, 6 knots, variable between 310 degrees and 070 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more, scatter 4,700 feet, temperature 26 degrees, set point 13 degrees, QNH 1017, landing and departing runway 04, transition level 06.
Hello. May I see your boarding pass? This way, please. Hello. This way, please. Welcome on board. Hello. Boarding pass, please. Good afternoon. This way. Boarding pass, please. This way, please. Hello. Good afternoon. Welcome on board. Hello. This way, please. May I see your boarding pass? Good afternoon. Hello. This way, please. Good afternoon. May I see your boarding pass? Welcome on board. Hello. Hello. This way, please. This way, please. Hello. 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 Boarding pass, please. Good afternoon. Welcome on board. Hello. Good afternoon. Hello. May I see your boarding pass? Hello. 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 May I see your boarding pass? Welcome on board. Good afternoon. Hello. Hello. This way, please. Hello. May I see your boarding pass?
Passengers bus is coming.
This way.
Passengers boarding started.
This way, please.
Allora, pre-flight checklist, parking brake set, battery guard closed, ground power, standby power guard closed, less than fuel pump on, after fuel pump equipment off, EPO start, EPO gen on, position light steady, logo lighter equipment, no, emergency exit light guard closed, passenger things on, PEX auto and height, ES mode selector to nav, and we have the heading 043043. FMC set. Abbiamo, poi ce le toglie, ma qua abbiamo le N1 limit con take off, e qui abbiamo i legs. Abbiamo l'init, abbiamo il fix e andiamo in cosa. Stansted delivery, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf with information Alpha on board Boeing 737-800. We are ready to copy EFR clearance for Eindhoven.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Stansted delivery, information Alpha current, cleared to base area the Eindhoven Airport via Clacton 5 Sierra departure, runway 04, climb by exit to 6,000 feet, squawk 3306.
Cleared to base area the Eindhoven Airport via Clacton 5 Sierra departure, runway 04, climb via exit to 6,000 feet, squawk 3306, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, read back correct. Contact ground 121.73 when ready for pushback or engine start.
We'll contact ground 121.73 when ready for pushback or engine start. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, bye bye, thanks.
at system test. Okay.
Ryanair 35 Mike November, contact Stansted Tower 123.805. Contact Tower 123.805.
Allora, per flight checklist to the line, transponder set 3306 in standby. Yes, max speed set 163 is plus 13148. Heading takeoff runway 041. Initial altitude 6000 feet. Yaw damper on. Yaw damper on, window bit on.
Contact Stansted Tower 123.805.
Landing altitude set 190. Landing altitude set 50. Flight director on. VNAV nav equipment on. Minimum ref set. Radio 238. Altimeter ref in hectopascal 1017. Auto breaker RTO come radio set, door closed. Facciamo il briefing. Ok, we made a fly with Eindhoven. We have in stand 33 right.
Ryanair 287 Yankee, taxi to stand 15 left to Papa Juliet. Taxi to stand
We have stand 33 right. We made a push on right. And we made taxi via Bravo Hotel, and we go to holding point Lima and take off with holding point Lima. Take off runway 04, 041 is the heading, 6000 feet is the initial altitude, and the yes max speed in FMC is 163 because the speed is V1 144, V rotate 145 and V2 148. In case of engine or problem, we have engine auto seed is 15 nautical miles heading runway heading 041 and return to the airfield via ELS runway 04. We have the course 042 in right side and the ELS course 11050. In left side we have VOR 116 plus 25 and we have the course 115 for the first point in case of backup. The weather is not a problem for this flight. Is dry condition. Is we have wind 0106 knot, 2726 is the temperature of the air, and we have max visibility plus 10 miles, and there is no problem with the terrain about the nearest of the airport. I am the pilot in flight. You are the pilot in monitoring. The boarding is completed now. If you don't have any question for me, the briefing is completed. We request a taxi. We request the push and start, and we made the before start checklist.
November Hotel Lima Hotel Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo.
Stansted ground, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, stand 33 left is ready for push and start.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Stansted ground, push back and engine start approved. Face southwest.
Pushback approved. Face southwest. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 175 uniform request taxi.
Allora, before start checklist, autotratto alarm. Left fuel pump equipment, after fuel pump on, electric hydraulic pump on, anti-collision light on, parking brake set, ground equipment removed.
Departure check completed. Bypass pin inserted.
Controlliamo che ci tolgano la scaletta e che non abbiamo niente. Engine area clear. Ora aspettiamo il push. Sync display unit engine and tech south.
Locking gear.
Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo at gate 50 right. Request pushback and engine start.
Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo, Stansted ground, pushback and engine start
A
approved.
destra.
Face northwest.
Cominciamo la manovra di...
Northwest, Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo.
Start at will.
Allora, engine number, engine N2 increase. To 5, engine startup. Beh, mi stava pushando bene. Engine 1 startup. N2 increase.
Please set parking brakes. Unlocking the nose gear.
To 5.
Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo, ready to taxi to the active.
Startup.
Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo, taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Charlie, Hotel Papa, Hotel November, Hotel November, Hotel Lima
Accendiamo il
Hotel.
2.
Taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Charlie, Hotel Papa, Hotel November, Hotel November, Hotel Lima Hotel, Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo.
Ok.
All aircraft be advised, information Bravo now current 2NH1017.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass pin removed. Left is clear. Right is clear.
Before taxi, generators 1 su on. Probit on. Wing anti-ice no equipment, engine anti-ice no equipment, PEX auto, isolation valve auto, April bleed off e più off, engine test switch is continuous, elevator trim, flight plus 1, flight control check, recall 737 only check, abbiamo anche i flap 5, request 5, set 5 and green lights.
Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo, contact Stansted Tower 123.805.
Contact Tower 123.805, Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo.
Stansted ground, Ryanair 63 Julia Golf is ready for taxi. Siamo pronti al taxi, quindi taxi on.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Bravo, Hotel Papa, Hotel November, Hotel November, Hotel Lima Hotel.
Taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Bravo, Hotel Papa, Hotel
Allora andiamo
November,
su Lima
Hotel
ovviamente
November,
perché lui
Hotel
non è
Lima
ancora
Hotel, Ryanair
intelligente.
63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 39 Juliet Golf, request a taxi to the Lima holding point. Thank you.
Ryanair 175 uniform, contact Stansted Tower 123.805. Have a good afternoon.
Contact Tower 123.805, Ryanair 175 uniform.
Ryanair 390 low Quebec, taxi to stand 15 right via Papa Juliet. Taxi to stand 15 right via Papa Juliet, Ryanair 390 low Quebec. Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo, contact Stansted Tower 123.805.
Contact Tower 123.805, Ryanair 79 Quebec Echo.
The clean is not restricted of speed, but the altitude is ultimate 6000 feet. Sono completamente dimenticato di farsi.
Easy 789 Victor at gate 30, request pushback and engine start.
Shanix 408 Kilo, taxi to stand 11 right via Papa Juliet.
Taxi to stand 11 right via Papa Juliet, Shanix 408 Kilo.
Easy 789 Victor, Stansted ground, pushback approved. Face northwest.
Pushback approved, face northwest, Easy 789 Victor. Easy 789 Victor, request taxi.
Easy 789 Victor, taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Bravo, Hotel Papa, Hotel November, Hotel Lima, Hotel.
Taxi to holding point hotel, runway 04 via Bravo, Hotel Papa, Hotel November, Hotel Lima, Hotel, Easy 789 Victor.
Stansted ground, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, holding point Lima 1 is ready for departure.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, hold short of runway 04, arriving traffic.
Hold short of runway 04, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, runway 04, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, runway 04, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Shanix 48 Charlie Lima, exit right at Sierra.
Exit right at Sierra, Shanix 48 Charlie Lima.
Allora, before takeoff, parking brake set, fuel flow, seal fuel pump air equipment, de-icing air equipment, cabin light air equipment, flight instrument check, takeoff data, flap check, nav equipment, landing light on, strobo light on.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, hold short of runway 04, arriving traffic.
Hold short of runway 04, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ma mi hai detto le night 08?
Channix 48 Charlie Lima, monitor ground 121.73.
Ground 121.73, Channix 48 Charlie Lima.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf via Hotel Cross runway 04, taxi to holding point Hotel, runway 04 via Lima Hotel.
Via Hotel Cross runway 04, taxi to holding point Hotel, runway 04 via Lima Hotel, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf Stansted Tower, wind 340 degrees, 6 knots, runway 04 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 04 cleared for takeoff, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Allora, take off, crown on, engine and one to gas, speed alive.
80 knots.
Check.
Rotate. Positive reincline.
Get up.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, contact Stansted Director 136.2.
Contact Stansted Director 136.2, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf. Stansted Director, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, passing 1,300 feet, climbing to 6,000 feet.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Stansted Director, identified, climb flight level 100.
Climb flight level 100, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 5 Sierra Yankee, contact London Control 118.475.
Contact London Control 118.475, Ryanair 5 Sierra Yankee, good day.
Ryanair 175 uniform, contact London Control 118.475.
Contact London Control 118.475, Ryanair 175 uniform.
Allora, before takeoff, checklist. After takeoff checklist, positive rate gear up. Auto brake off.
Stansted direct
Engine
to
start
BZ789
switches
Victor.
off.
Good afternoon, passing 1,800 feet, climbing to 5,000 feet.
Gear level of position, runway turn off.
BZ789 Victor, Stansted Director.
Cammino
Good
all'alto.
afternoon. Identified. Climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190, easy 789 Victor.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf. Contact London Control 118.475.
Contact London Control 118.475, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf. London Control, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf. Good afternoon, passing flight level 073, climbing to flight level 100.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, London Control, identified, climb flight level 190.
Climb flight level 190, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Virgin 141 Heavy, contact London Control 118.775. Have a good afternoon.
Center on 118.775, Virgin 141 Heavy.
Shuttle 2 Juliet, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent. Shuttle 2 Juliet.
Shuttle 2 Juliet, descend via start at 8,000 feet, QNH 1017.
Descend via start at 8,000 feet. QNH 1017. Shuttle 2 Juliet.
Speedbird 386, contact Brussels Control 125.0, bye-bye.
Contact Brussels Control 125.0, Speedbird 386.
Ryanair 175 uniform, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Ryanair 175 uniform.
Ryanair 175 uniform, descent to 4,000 feet to NH 1010.
Descent to 4,000 feet to NH 1010, Ryanair 175 uniform.
Ryanair 35 Mike November, contact Paris Control 126.475, good day.
Center on 126.475, Ryanair 35 Mike November.
Ryanair 8 Papa Bravo, contact Brussels Control 125.0.
Center on 125.0, Ryanair 8 Papa Bravo.
Controlliamo la pressurizzazione, che è
Easy 43 Kilo Papa, cleared Canada 1 Golf arrival, runway 08 right.
Cleared Canada 1 Golf arrival, runway 08 right, easy 43 Kilo Papa.
Ryanair 80 Golf
safe.
Bravo, contact
Tanto
Paris
di
Control
veloce.
126.475, bye-bye.
Center on 126.475, Ryanair 80 Golf Bravo. London Control, Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo, flight level 140.
Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo, London Control, identified, climb flight level 350.
Climb flight level 350, Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo.
Easy 2369, contact Paris Control 119.825.
Center on 119.825, easy 2369.
Shuttle 2 Juliet, contact London Control 118.775. Have a good afternoon.
Contact London Control 118.775, Shuttle 2 Juliet. Have a good afternoon.
Ryanair 73 Zulu T-Low, contact Paris Control 126.475.
Contact Paris Control 126.475, Ryanair 73 Zulu T-Low, good day.
Ryanair 175 uniform, contact Amsterdam radar 119.175.
Center on 119.175, Ryanair 175 uniform.
Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey, clear Dublin 4 Lima arrival, runway 28 left.
Clear Dublin 4 Lima arrival, runway 28 left, Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey.
Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo, contact Paris Control 126.475.
Contact Paris Control 126.475, Ryanair 4 Yankee Echo, good day.
Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey.
Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey, descent to flight level 160.
Descent to flight level 160, Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey.
London Control, Ryanair 38 Delta Delta, good afternoon, passing flight level 205, descending to flight level 080.
Ryanair 38 Delta Delta, London Control identified. ICE 546, contact Paris Control 119.825.
Center on 119.825, ICE 546, good day.
Alpine 53 Tango Kilo, contact Paris Control 119.825.
Center on 119.825, Alpine 53 Tango Kilo, have a good afternoon.
Allora, siamo in procinto degli 89 miglia nautiche. Già 88. Quindi direi facciamo l'initer F.
Ryanair 76 Sierra Whiskey, London Control identified, climb flight level 220.
Climb flight level 220, Ryanair 76 Sierra Whiskey.
London Control, Easy 789 Victor, passing flight level 160, climbing to flight level 190.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, cleared red for 4 Echo arrival, runway 21.
Allora, 1014. quindi abbiamo
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, cleared red for 4 Echo arrival, runway 21.
Cleared red for 4 Echo arrival, runway 21, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Tomjet 42 Charlie, descend via starter flight level 220. Descend via starter flight level 220, Tomjet 42 Charlie. Easy 789 Victor, London control identified, climb flight level 390. Climb flight level 390, easy 789 Victor. Easy 252 Alpha, contact London control 118.775, good day.
Contact London control 118.775, easy 252 Alpha.
Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey, descend via start at 3,000 feet, QNH 1019er.
Descend via start to 3,000 feet, QNH 1019er, Ryanair 7 Zulu Whiskey.
Shamrock 52 Victor, cleared Bivax 9 Victor arrival, runway 27 right.
Cleared Bivax 9 Victor arrival, runway 27 right, Shamrock 52 Victor.
Shamrock 52 Victor, report ready for descent.
Ready for descent, Shamrock 52 Victor.
Shamrock 52 Victor, descend to flight level 240.
Descend to flight level 240, Shamrock 52 Victor.
Tomjet 42 Charlie 2 NH 1017, expect radar vectors for LS approach runway 27. QNH 1017, expect radar vectors for LS approach runway 27, Tomjet 42 Charlie. Lufthansa 478 Heavy, turn right, heading 260, vectors for the approach.
Turn right, heading 260, Lufthansa 478 Heavy.
Lufthansa 478 Heavy, altimeter 3002, expect radar vectors for LS approach runway 24 left.
Altimeter 3002, expect radar vectors for ILS approach runway 24 left. Lufthansa 478 Heavy.
Lufthansa 478 Heavy, 2838 miles from Sloka, turn right, heading 260, maintain 3,000 feet until established, cleared ILS approach runway 24 left.
Turn right, heading 260, 3,000 feet until established, cleared ILS approach runway 24 left, Lufthansa 478 Heavy.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, contact Amsterdam radar 119.175, bye-bye.
Contact Amsterdam radar 119.175, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 25 Lima Echo, contact Brussels control 125.0, good day. Center on 125.0, Ryanair 25 Lima Echo.
Amsterdam radar, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, flight level 190.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Amsterdam radar identified. Ryanair 9 Tango Yankee, contact London radar 118.75, good day.
Center on 118.75, Ryanair 9 Tango Yankee.
Ok, il primo punto della nostra rotta
Red Nose 3516, contact London Control 118.475, bye bye.
Contact London Control 118.475, Red Nose 3516.
Beh, non andiamo su chilo, cioè, però è solo su chilo. Io direi autobrake 3.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, report ready for descent. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, report ready for descent. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Amsterdam radar.
Ready for descent, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, descent to flight level 090.
Descend to flight level 090, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Allora facciamo, tanto siamo arrivati alla discesa, io controllo un attimo che scenda intanto. Allora faremo l'ASMO così, quindi l'ASMO, ANSA, l'INTO, qua faremo da in diretta Tubcam. Scusate, gli LS partono da 2000 piedi e sono a 6.1 miglia e da Tupac faremo un diretto Besti, quindi poi Besti, questo e 212 e roba del genere. La nostra pista è la 21, quindi 212, è leggermente in salita perché qua elevazione 66 e qua 74, abbiamo 3000 metri, quindi tanto stiamo prendendo e stiamo scendendo, abbiamo 3000 piedi, 3000 metri di pista, quindi va benissimo, e usciremo su Romeo 5 e faremo Romeo per Romeo 2. Non dobbiamo andare su uniform in kilo because there is a max wingspan 15 metri, non ci passiamo, però su Romeo teniamo
Ryanair 760 Whiskey, Amsterdam radar identified.
Quindi cross Romeo 2 and Lima 2. Ora vediamo un attimo. No, noi usciremo qua. direi che non abbiamo problemi. Possiamo fare uniform Romeo e poi andremo a posteggiare. Da Londra a Eindhoven, volo molto breve. Sono le 16:35. Allora,
Amsterdam radar, Lufthansa 478 Heavy, flight level 373.
Lufthansa 478 Heavy, Amsterdam radar, good afternoon, identified, turn right, heading 260.
Turn right, heading 260, Lufthansa 478 Heavy.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, descend flight level 070.
Descend flight level 070, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 76 Sierra Whiskey, cleared Biff 1 Bravo arrival, runway 31 right.
Cleared Biff 1 Bravo arrival, runway 31 right, Ryanair 76 Sierra Whiskey.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, contact Eindhoven approach 132.53.
Contact Eindhoven approach 132.53, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Transavia 27 Lima Eindhoven departure, good afternoon, identified, climb flight level 160. Climb flight level 160, Transavia 27 Lima.
Eindhoven Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, passing flight level 105, descending to flight level 070 with information Delta.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, Eindhoven approach, good afternoon, QNH 1014, expect the ILS X-ray approach runway 21 with the India Papa Tango 2 Foxtrot transition.
QNH 1014, expect the ILS X-ray approach runway 21 with the India Papa Tango 2 Foxtrot transition, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Madonna, come balla oggi.
to pass. Cross at task at or above flight level 070. Cleared ILS X-ray approach runway 21, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
All aircraft be advised, information echo now current QNH 1014.
flight level 1990 with information echo.
Transavia 58 Golf Eindhoven approach. QNH 1014, expect radar vectors for ILS Zulu approach runway 21.
2NH 1014, expect radar vectors for ILS Zulu approach runway 21, Transavia 58 Golf.
Transavia 58 Golf, 58 miles from 11F, turn left, heading 245, maintain 2,000 feet until established on the final approach course, cleared ILS Zulu approach runway 21.
Turn left, heading 245, 2,000 feet until established, cleared ILS Zulu approach runway 21, Transavia 58 Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, established ILS 21. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, roger. Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005. Have a good afternoon. Over to Tower 131.005, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf. Eindhoven Tower, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, ILS X-ray approach runway 21.
Ryanair 63 Juliet
Allora.
Golf, Eindhoven Tower, wind 320 degrees, 6 knots, runway 21 cleared to land.
Engine start
Runway
which is
21 cleared to land,
continuous.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Landing flap 730. Go out altitude 3000. Run turn off light on. Landing gear check down. E possiamo andare.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. 100. 50. 30. 20. 10.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, exit left at Lima 3.
Exit left at Lima 3, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, contact ground 121.903.
Ground 121.903, Ryanair 63 Juliet
Ora
Golf.
guarda dove cazzo mi ha fatto uscire sto scemo. Eindhoven ground, Ryanair 63 Julian, free request taxi to the company gate.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, welcome to base area the Eindhoven. Safe parking or advise if need assignment.
Any ramp is fine, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, taxi via Romeo 5 Romeo, hold short of runway 21.
Taxi via Romeo 5 Romeo, hold short of runway 21, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 7654, request IFR clearance to app. Internas. T Vilnius.
Ryanair 7654, Eindhoven ground, information echo current, clear to app. Internas. T Vilnius via 10 kilo departure, runway 21, climb by exit to flight level 060, squawk 4726.
Clear to app. Internas. T Vilnius via 10 kilo departure, runway 21, climb by exit to flight level 060, squawk 4726, Ryanair 7654.
Ryanair 7654, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start.
Wilco Ryanair 7654. Ryanair 7654, ramp Sierra 2, request pushback and engine start.
Ryanair 7654, Eindhoven ground, pushback approved. Face north.
Pushback and engine start approved, face north, Ryanair 7654. Ryanair 64 Bravo Juliet, ready to taxi to the active.
Ryanair 64 Bravo Juliet, taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1.
Taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1, Ryanair 64 Bravo Juliet.
Ryanair 64 Bravo Juliet, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005.
Over to Tower 131.005, Ryanair 64 Bravo Juliet, bye-bye.
Eindhoven ground, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf on the point line Lima runway 03, request cross runway.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, hold short of runway 21 departing traffic.
Hold short of runway 21, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Ryanair 7654, taxi for departure.
Ryanair 7654, taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1.
Taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1, Ryanair 7654.
Ryanair 7654, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005.
Contact Tower 131.005, Ryanair 7654.
Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf, via Lima 2 cross runway 21, taxi via Romeo 5 Romeo, hold short of runway 21.
Via Lima 2 cross runway 21, taxi via Romeo 5 Romeo, hold short of runway 21, Ryanair 63 Juliet Golf.
Cioè mi ha fatto uscire a sinistra. Cioè io ho fatto quello che mi ha detto il controllore. Ho detto esca a sinistra per non uscire dove non mi diceva lui. Però poteva farmi uscire direttamente a destra. Faceva partire e mi ha fatto fare venire un rinvigo senza senso. Ho capito male io. Lui mi ha fatto uscire su Lima C, mi ha detto anche Lima. Ho sbagliato io. Vabbè.
Eindhoven ground, Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, Boeing 737-800, with information Echo, Ramp Sierra 3, request IFA clearance to Dallas Airport. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, Eindhoven ground, cleared to Dallas via the Valley 4 Kilo departure, runway 21, climb via sit to 3,000 feet, squawk 2000. Cleared to Dallas via the Valley 4 Kilo departure, runway 21, climb via sit to 3,000 feet, squawk 2000. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start. Wilco, Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, Ramp Sierra 3, request pushback. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, Eindhoven ground, pushback approved. Face northeast. Pushback approved, face northeast, Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot. Ryanair 6-3 Juliet Golf, via Lima 2 cross runway 21, taxi to Ramp Sierra 8 via Romeo 2 Lima 2.
Via Lima 2 cross runway 21, taxi to Ramp Sierra 8 via Romeo 2 Lima 2, Ryanair 6-3 Juliet Golf.
Ma il bello è che l'ho anche detto, gira a sinistra. Ho girato a destra. Ma ho girato a destra perché pensavo, non lo so perché cosa, perché ho girato a destra. Perché ho sbagliato. Perché ho semplicemente sbagliato.
Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, ready to taxi to the active. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1. Taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1, Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot. Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005. Over to Tower 131.005, Ryanair 6 Mike Foxtrot.
Allora, flap, up, auto brake off, gli spoiler sono off, le luci taxi sono off, le anti-collision sono su steady. Sono arrivato oltretutto velocissimo. Quarto 100.
Eindhoven ground, Wizard 216, Airbus at 320 Anano, with information echo, Ram Sierra 4, request FR clearance to Skopje.
Wizard 216, Eindhoven ground, clear to Skopje via 10-2T low departure, runway 21, climb base into flight level 060, squawk 3660.
Clear to Skopje via 10-2T low departure, runway 21, climb base into flight level 060, squawk 3660, Wizard 216.
Wizard 216, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start.
Roger that, Wizard 216. Wizard 216, Ram Sierra 4, request pushback.
Wizard 216, Eindhoven ground, pushback approved. Face northeast.
Pushback and engine start approved, face northeast, Wizard 216. Wizard 216, request taxi to the active.
Transavia 58 Golf, taxi via Lima, hold short of runway 21.
Taxi via Lima, hold short of runway 21, Transavia 58 Golf.
Wizard 216, taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1.
Taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1, Wizard 216.
Wizard 216, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005.
Over to Tower 131.005, Wizard 216.
All aircraft be advised, information Foxtrot now current, QNH 1014.
Transavia 6513, request air for clearance to Ibiza Airport.
Transavia 6513, Eindhoven ground. Information Foxtrot current clear to Ibiza Airport via the Ono 6 kilo departure. Runway 21, climb base to 3,000 feet, squawk 3515.
Clear to Ibiza Airport via the Ono 6 kilo departure. Runway 21, climb base to 3,000 feet, squawk 3515. Transavia 6513.
Transavia 6513, read back correct. Call me back when ready for pushback or engine start.
Wilco Transavia 6513.
Transavia 58 Golf, via Lima 4 cross runway 21, taxi via Romeo 4 Romeo, hold short of runway 21.
Via Lima 4 cross runway 21, taxi via Romeo 4 Romeo, hold short of runway 21, Transavia 58 Golf.
Transavia 6513 at ramp Sierra 11, request pushback and engine start.
Transavia 6513, Eindhoven ground, pushback and engine start approved. Base northeast.
Pushback approved, face northeast, Transavia 6513. Transavia 6513, taxi for departure.
Transavia 6513, taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1.
Taxi to holding point Lima 1, runway 21 via Lima 1, Transavia 6513.
Transavia 6513, hold position for company traffic.
Hold position, Transavia 6513.
Transavia 6513, continue taxi.
Continue taxi, Transavia 6513.
Transavia 6513, contact Eindhoven Tower 131.005.
Contact Tower 131.005, Transavia 6513.
Passengers bus is coming.